Good afternoon, Pampanga!
Afternoon!
Na-miss ko ang Pampanga. Tagal ko bago bumalik. I actually started doing our business here in Pampanga nung time na wala pang office. I was one of the leader na nag-start talaga ng market ng Pampanga. So welcome po sa mga first timer. Okay. Pakilala lang po ako. Medyo can I see the hands of the first timer? Yung ngayon lang ako nakita. Ay, ang dami. Palakpakan niyo naman yan. Nakakatawa. Alright, just as a short introduction lang po, para at least pag nakita tayo, patingin niyo naman ako. Okay? Alright, so ako po si Vivian. No? I'm actually 35 years old. Pero I worked for 3 decades. Medyo, I'm already turning 57 soon. So, pero, bakit po ba ako napapunta dito? No? Si Miss Vanessa, palapakan mo natin yung ating MC. Napakagaling, tama? Galing, diba? No dull moments, no? So, I was invited here way back 2018, actually. Noong time na po yun, yun na nga, nasa corporate ako. And yung amin pong common friend namin ng asawa ko, invited us here. Sabi ko, hindi ko kailangan yan. Meron ba sa inyong nagsabi ng gano'n?
Meron.
Meron. Meron. May mga nagsabi ng gano'n.
Marami.
And be careful with that. You know why?
Why?
After 18 months, binalikan ko po itong product na to. You know why?
Why?
Nagka-cancer na po ako. Okay. So that started my journey here. I was diagnosed with breast cancer, Lucy. And I was scheduled for mastectomy. Sabi ng asawa ko, kawawa naman. Sabi niya, sino kawawa? Sino kawawa? Tingnan niyo yung ginagawa niyo. Ako, operahan siya ang kawawa. Tama ba yan? Okay, so, sabi ko, actually, ang tagal yung journey ko dito before I really said yes. Kasi nga mataas ang comfort zone ko. Maganda yung position, maganda ang pay, maganda ang benefits. Pero, parang nang kumakain ng stress every minute of your life. I was handling actually 10 provinces of Luzon White. So, nasa technical po ako. Pag nahahak ang mga bangko, ako ang namumroblema. Pag bumabagsak ang tower, ako rin ho ang namumroblema. Pag may mga ninakaw na kaple, ako rin ho ang namumroblema. Ang saya ng life ko, di ba? Di ba? Ang saya-saya ng life ko. That's the reason kung bakit ako nagkaroon that big C. And because of that issue, yung friend ko, sabi niya sa akin, kasi I was already scheduled. Actually, at that time, I was already considering the mastectomy. Tanggap ko na. Okay? Kaya lang, yung hindi matanggap ng kalooban ko, yung chemo. You know why? Makakalbo ka. Papangin ka. Iitim ka. Hindi, ang ganda ko. I'm just making it light kasi ayoko nang umiyak. Ayoko nang umiyak. So every time was like, ayos siya. Hello. Alam niyo, every time kasi I made mention of that phase of my life, minsan hindi ko maiwasan na hindi umiyak. Kasi yung parang sugat na dinut-dut-dut-dut mo ng gano'n. So, to cut it short, I tried the product. I was scheduled noon na may scheduled na yung aking operation. I took the product na June 26 of 2018. I still remember the day. And then, nakaschedule ako ng mamo ng June 30 of 2018 also. I got the result of July 4 of 2018, and there was no masking. Ilang ang ininom ko? 8 capsule a day. At that time, ang tanong ko lang sa friend ko, may overdose? Wala. Bakit ang dami? I was fighting for my life. If you are fighting for your life, hindi ba i-overdose mo yung sarili mo?
Tama.
Hindi ko magawang magtipid kasi I was fighting at that time.
Correct.
I was fighting with a big prayer and hope na sana mag-okay ako. And God was really good. Kasi it took us 18 months before we say yes to this product. Ito na yung susunod na kwento. Siyempre, may sakit ka. Hindi ka pwede magtrabaho ng hindi ka pwede masyado ma-stress, hindi ka masyado mag-ano, no? So, at that time, I was just a user. Plain user. Thank you so much. That phone will be raffled later. Okay. so, nung time pong yun, user lang po ako. No? Hindi pa ako pusher. What? User pala. Kaya lang, mahal ang product, high price ang product,
Yes.
maganda ang product,
Yes.
so kailangan ko i-sustain. So, ano gagawin ko? Magpupusher ba ako? Diba? So, I keep on sharing and sharing. Sa totoo lang, at the time of sharing, hindi ko ganun kahirap sa akin. You know why? Kasi what I'm sharing is my life. Sabi ni Sir Ariel, dito po sa Leeway, this is a storytelling business. So what I'm sharing at the time is only my life. The journey I've been through, the pains and everything. No? So, yun lang yung sinishare ko. And on the process, I was able to help a lot of friends na in the same state of me. No? So, kaya nakakataba, tama yung sabi ni Ma'am Priscilla, no? Nakakataba pag sinasabihan ka, salamat. Parang ang anghel sa lupa. Yung bang, you became a bearer of hope to these people na alam mo, nasa verge of, yung bang kawalan ng pag-asa. So, fast forward, ang hirap sa trabaho, no? Sino working? Working. Ayan, okay. Alam niyo ang ginagawa ko noon? Kasi I make it sure every company event may guest ako. Hindi ako pumapayag na walang guest. I make it sure na may guest ako. And nililipad ko yung opisina papunta dun sa MOA at the time, no? I was coming from Sampaloc kasi nandun yung tower ng PLDT. So, from there, nililipad ko po papunta MOA. I have to be there before 6:30. Can you just imagine yung biyahe ko? That far, pero I make it sure that 6:30 nandoon ako. Why? Nadating yung guest ko. And it's hard, no? Sa simula, hindi ko madali ang mag-relay, sa totoo lang. Mahirap mag-relay. Pero it's alam mo yung, siya eh, fulfilling yung feeling na alam mo, may natulungan ka. Fulfilling yung feeling na alam mo, may value ka. And fulfilling yung feeling na alam mo, appreciated ka. Come to think of it, all of us want appreciation. Tama? Yung puti, nagpapaitim. Yung itim, nagpapaputi. Yung kulot, nagpapauna. Yung unat, nagpapakulot. Tama? Bakit? Gusto mo lang mapansin. Lahat po tayo KSP. Whether you believe it or not, KSP tayo lahat. Lahat po tayo gusto natin na appreciate tayo. Lahat gusto natin, kahit pa paano napapansin tayo. Dumating ka nga lang ng bahay, walang magbumati sa'yo, ulit ka din. Diba? Oh, diba? Kaya talagang and along the journey, doing this business, I came to a crossroad. Kasi nung time po ngayon, I was being offered to handle the entire Luzon. Why? Wow! Sabi ko, dun sa 10 province, nagka-cancer ako. Ano kayang dadatnan ko pagdating ng buong Luzon? So, finally, I said, no. I'm no longer happy. Importante po yung happy ka sa ginagawa mo. For you to perform well, for you to be doing extraordinary things to what you're doing, you should be happy to what you're doing. And I no longer feel happy. So finally, chinugi ko po yung aking kumpanya. I fired him. Yeah. I was being offered to another company in the same industry. I also fired them. I'm in love with a new company, and that is true. Ask me why I love Riway. In Riway, look at my hands. I got healthy. I used to have a very bad migraine. I'm taking Valium 5 every time I have an attack. I used to have a GERD. I'm taking minimum of 10 mugs, not cups, mind you. 10 mugs of coffee every day, just to keep me awake. I have my plantar. Meron din mo akong issue sa tuhod. Hindi ako nakakapag-heels. Parati kong naka-boy shoes noon. And then, I have a frozen shoulder for the longest time, 3 months. Nag-cycle na ako ng therapy sa St. Rose, hindi ako gumagaling. And then I have a cancer. But because of this company, because of this wonderful product, I become healthy. Because I become healthy, hindi ko naman pwedeng sarilinin. Kasi pag healthy ka, pati yung ibang parte ng katawan mo nagiging healthy. So I have to share it with my family. So inangat ko po, yung extension of sharing this business to my family, no? To my son, to my daughter, to my siblings, no? So they're now here. Although hindi pa lahat, pero I'm working on it and praying for it. Na sana, in the long run, in years to come, we will all be here and we'll be talking of one thing, which is remain. And then, after po, that I have the family values up level, I started sharing it to my friends, to my colleagues. So you started developing your social skills. You started to know more how to correlate with other people, to feel them. It's not really more of mabentahan sila. Mind you, if you do that, you will never sell even a single bottle. The person you're sharing this product should feel your heart, should feel your concern, not the peso side, not the commission side. Okay? So after I was able to really, kasi dati ko, may pagka-introvert. Hindi ko gusto yung nakikipag-usap sa maraming tao. Kasi nga, because I've been working for the longest time sa technical, so ilan lang yung kausap ko. Madalas mga technical lang din na minsan over the phone lang. So bibihira. But because of this company, I was able to talk to a lot of people, to learn how to engage to different levels of communication and ideas, no? And then because of that, my level of thinking also was improved. Kaya nga ako ganito yan, because your level of thinking improves here. You know why? The company is providing all kinds of trainings. Ako, I used to attend a lot of trainings, no? Sa office, we are being provided with several trainings. Outside the office, I'm also attending a lot of trainings. Kasi gusto ko na i-enhance yung sarili ko, na i-enhance yung capacity ko and everything. But I have to pay for that. In this company, you are not paying a single centavo and you are learning. You are learning what those people are saying just to learn. The basic and the most important skills, attitude, time management, anger management. I mean, these things are not being taught in the school, but essential for your existence. Tama ba?
Yes.
After I was able to upgrade my social skills, okay, the financial matters follow. It would be easier for you to interact with different fields, with different people. So the closing is much higher compared nung nagsisimula ka pa lang. So yung bulsalitis na nagme-metastasize sa kapitbahay, no, sa kaibigan, sa kapatid, was also solved. And because of that, tsugi yung kumpanya. Bakit ka mag-i-stay? I'm working there from 6 in the morning. Kasi malis ka ng bahay, sa isin. From 6 in the morning up to 9 in the evening. Bawal ang overtime po sa job grade ko. Bawal ang Saturdays. Pero pumapasok ka. OTTY ang tawag. Nakakaranas ba kayo ng OTTY? Oo. Kumakain mo ako ng apoy, tumatambling ako sa opisina. Pag nagsabi yung boss ko, sasabihin ko lang, consider it done, boss. I'll have it delivered. That's how workaholic I am. And because all the aspects, the 5 aspects of my life was resolved, I could not forget the blessings that was given to me with the one up above. The new life, the second life that I have right now. And the fruits of all these things, I have to give it back, all the glory to the one above. So my spiritual is first. Where can you find a company that will allow you to grow in all the aspects of your life? Marami tayong kilalang mayaman. Sira ang pamilya. Tama? Marami tayong kilalang mayaman. Maganda ang posisyon. Pero, may sakit. Naka-wheelchair. Nagda-dialysis. This company, if you will give it a chance, lalo na po sa mga first-timer, you are so blessed, you know? Kasi ang dami ko nilang in-invite, pero kayo ang nakarating. Ibig sabihin, you are destined for something great. Wala pong aksidente. Umiwas ka man katulad ko, babalik ka rin. Promise, babalik at babalik ka sa sarili. Alam mo, I had sideways lang. Meron ako isang client. He was telling me, kasi he's selling a very, very high price na bicycle. Yun yung mga foldable na bicycle that I think yung $600,000, something like that. So yun yung kanyang business. And then when I was telling him about this company and this product, sabi niya, how come nobody introduces to me? Parang ang dating, na-insulto siya. Mayaman ako, bakit walang nag-introduce sa akin? Ganun ang feeling niya. Sabi ko, sir, kasi we are not advertising. We're not making use of the social media. The only way that you can encounter this company is when somebody cares for you. So, sabi ko, and because I care for you, I am now sharing to you this product. 2 days after, he purchased 2 diamonds. Minsan, kailangan lang ipakita mo yung value ng tao. Huwag ka masyadong mag-promise. Huwag mong ibenta yung buwan at yung araw. Oo, pati yung atay, huwag mong ibenta. what counts is your integrity. For the leaders that are here, let us protect our business. Nasa sa isang barko tayo, huwag niyong butasin. Huwag nating hayaang may ibang bumutas. Let us protect this. Ako, sa totoo lang, I could proudly say that I will get old in this company. And I would like to see yung mga apo ko na makita rin niya yung ganda ng kumpanya. Because tell you, you can never find a company with core values.
Yes. Yes.
In this technology, in this generation of AI, maraming kumpanya at maraming trabaho mawawala. When we started the BPO business, isa ho ako dun sa mga nag-spearhead nung in-start ang BPO business 15 years ago. And at that time, the reason kaya kinreate yun, kasi wala na akong negosyo or wala nang trabaho i-offer sa mga gagraduate. That is the only reason. Kaya lumabas po yun. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga graduates ngayon, the only choice they have is, what? Call center. Kung hindi call center, abroad. The good thing about this company is you could bring your apo, your anak, your kapatid, whoever is in the family, pwede mong bitbitin dito. And the good thing is, it breaks the generation gap. Pwede kayong mag-usap ng pare-parehong lingwahe dahil na kayo nasa relay. And this is also one way of protecting them. Kasi iba po ang, sad to say, iba na yung henerasyon ngayon. I remember nung bata kami, pag sinutusan ka ng nanay, bili ka ng, kung punta ka sa kusina, kunin yung suka. Tama? Sa mga kaidaran ko, pupunta kayo sa bahay, kukunin yung suka, bibigay nyo. Yung sumunod na henerasyon, kunin yung suka. Saan? Buksan mo yung cabinet, sa likod ng mantika, nandun ang suka. Kailangan ganun ka-detailed kasi kung di babalik yung walang suka. Tama? Ngayon mas malupit. Kunin mo yung suka. Wait lang. Luto na ang adobo. Wait lang. Grabe. And can you just imagine the next generation will be? If you will not be able to protect the next generation, can you just imagine what kind of youth we will have? So I really thank Mr. Lim for bringing Riway in the Philippines. Kasi somehow I see a glimpse of hope na pwedeng magkaroon ng venue para mas maganda, magkaroon ng mas magandang youth. Kasi napakataas po ng influence ng social media sa youth ngayon. To the point of the increase in suicidal. Dahil hindi nag-like. My God, totoo lang hindi na-like at na-block. Maabot sa ganun. I mean, we are parents. Sinong parents? You as parents, we as parents, we are being given the task to give a proper guidance to our next generation. Yun po yung task natin. Importante maalam nyo kung anong lingwahe nila para naiintindihan mo. Yung mga, noon may judgment pa ngayon, iba na iba na yung ginagamit nila ngayon. Iba yung lingwahe nila ngayon. Pag hindi ka nakadap, hindi mo sila maintindihan. Nagkakalokohan na sila sa harap mo, hindi mo pa alam. Totoo yun. Kaya, mga nanay, medyo aral-aral ng konti. Oo, wag lang Candy Crush. Naka-iPhone ka. iPhone 16. lang pala. Medyo adapt tayo. We have to adapt. It's kind of important that you learn to adapt. Kasi, alam niyo, napakaganda nung millennial. Kasi, yung millennial, ako, I believe I'm still in the millennial pa, ano eh. So, yung nakaranas sila ng traditional way, nakaranas sila ng computerized way, na maabot sila sa AI. Diba? Tapos, kung mapapansin nyo, ako ay one thing that yung kanina pinagtanong sino yung naka-attend ng LTS, no? One thing I really feel nung time na nag-LTS tayo, sabi ko, iba na ngayon. Iba na yung LTS na na-attend na namin. It was different. It was a different thing compared to sa mga previous LTS namin na na-attend. And, tatama dito. May tama dito. Sabi nga ni Kuya Jess at the time, this year is 2025 with a perfect 45 degrees. Make the most of it. I just like to end the sharing, no? I'll end with a story. Okay lang?
Yes.
Ako, mahilig ako mag-story, lalo na sa mga anak ko, sa mga anak ko. There was this young boy, no? He was walking along the shore. And then along walking on the shore, may nakita siya isang pastor. So yung pastor, ano pa yung bukang liwayway ba? Bukang liwayway, ano pa lang yung araw. So yung pastor, lalakad din siya doon sa shore, pero may pinupulot siya. Tapos gano'n. So yung bata, sabi niya, ano kaya ginagawa ni pastor? So lumapit siya. So habang nilalakad siya, nakita niya, pinupulot pala ni pastor is starfish. So pinupulot niya yung starfish, tapon niya. Pulot, tapon. Nilakati siyang bata, sabi ng bata, Pastor, tigilan mo na yan. Sabi ng pastor, bakit? Eh, pastor, sa dami ng starfish na yan, mabuta ka, mamamatay din yan. Tigilan mo na yan, babalik din yan na. Sabi niya, okay lang yun. Pulot si pastor, tapon. Pulot si pastor, tapon. Sabi ni pastor, alam mo anak, hindi ko man masalba lahat ng starfish na totoo. Pero ito, mabubuhay ito. Pulot, tapon. End of the story. Anong kinalaman sa inyo ng starfish? Kayo po, inimbita. Lahat kayo inimbita. I am sure, hindi rin po lahat kayo tutuloy. Sino man ang tumuloy, sigurado po buhay. Salamat po.
What a powerful sharing from our Diamond 3-star Miss Vivian Trebonsay. No, grabe yung story niya. Kaya, tutuloy ba kayo?